Yo, most traders are focused on war headlines, buying up all the oil stocks, but look, I'm positioned in what happens after the war. If you want to know what the big money is putting their money in, and you want to see what they focus on what happens after the destruction. So in this video, stay tuned because I'm going to show you where it is headed. So you want to know where the big money is headed. You've been buying up the oil stocks. Your count is still not looking how it's supposed to. You might be in the red because if you've been noticing and watching, hey, the market's been trending down. And this is easy plays that you need to position yourself for the rebound. Now, we're at war. Now, some of y'all been buying up the oil stocks, making some money. Now, here's the thing. What happens after the war? All right, so look, you notice I got my stay hustling harder hat on, so it's about to be good, y'all. So pay attention, write your notes down on this one because I'm going to show you 3 stocks that's going to benefit after this war is over. So let's get right into it. So this stock right here, you might have seen it. You might have seen these outside and you might have seen them at a construction site and really didn't know what this company did or do. But we're going to go with CAT, and that is C-A-T. Now this stock right here is going to benefit after the war because look, after the war, somebody got to come clean up. Somebody got to come out there and rebuild. It's just like you make a mess at your house, you got to clean it up, y'all. You got to clean it up. Well, if you don't want to do it, then you hire somebody. And these are companies right here that are positioning after war what could start as rebuilding, fixing infrastructure, all types of stuff. So I got CAT as my number 1 right here. Now, the ticker CAT, this company makes heavy equipment used to rebuild everything from roads, building, and infrastructure. When rebuilding starts, demands go up, and CAT is going to be one of them. All right, coming in at number 2, FLR. And that Florida, I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong in my comments. But FLR, they handle large-scale construction projects and government contracts. That's the key, y'all. Government contracts. So these construction companies get those big contracts. Now, here's another thing. When countries start rebuilding, these are companies that get paid. So you got number 1, which I said is CAT. Number 2, which is FLR. And I'm about to drop the bomb on number 3. Here we go. VMC. Now, who is VMC? Third Vulcan. If I'm saying that right, if I got it wrong, please comment below. Vulcan Materials, ticker VMC. Now, what they do is they supply raw minerals like concrete and stone. No rebuild happens without stone, y'all. You need stone, you need the materials. So if you're gonna rebuild anything, first thing you need to do is secure the materials. And this company is the foundation play. So you got, let's go over it one more time. You got number 1 is going to be CAT. You got number 2 is going to be FLR. And then you got number 3 coming in at VMC. Now, you could Google these stocks right now. You could learn about the company, position yourself as the best. Always do your own due diligence. Do not take my word and say, Rose said that these are going to blow up. No, do your own due diligence. But here's the thing. What helps me, I use AI. Guess why I use AI? Because AI is 10 times smarter than my brain in here. So when I need to figure out, well, where should I get in? What should I do? When should I exit? What is the stock? Is it ready to blow up? Is it ready to do puts? Is it ready to go down? I do not sit there for hours and try to figure that out. I do not look through a bunch of database on the company, what they did, what they're doing. I just ask my AI agent, hey, this is what's going on. Tell me about this company. Are they going to benefit or not? Where should I get in? Where should I exit? So to make things simpler, I'm going to drop some sauce right here. What you can do, all you got to do, if you got ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT, look for ChatGPT apps, type in the GPT store, type in Chart Assassins. Once you type in Chart Assassins, it's going to put up a chart assassin that breaks down. What it does is it tells you your entries, it tells you your stops, it tells you if they got volume, and it also tells you if the stock is either doing in the green, is it neutral to bullish, is it bullish or is it bearish? And these are quick things you need to know when you're trading. When you're trading, you need this information fast. So I use Chart Assassin. So make sure, type in the ticker in there, see what Chart Assassin says. And then after you do that, make sure you leave a review for Chart Assassins. If you think this is the bomb, then put a review in there. put it in there. That will boost up that chart assassins. With chart assassins will get to even thinking even more stocks for you. But try it out. That's one of my gems right there that I want to leave you with. And also, like I said, I am Roll. And if you want to trade with me, make sure you hit the link down below. I have a great 12 months access with me. You get me, y'all. You get my AI tools. You get what my charts are doing and what I'm seeing every day and what I'm looking at and where I'm positioning myself. So if you want that, click the link below, join me, and let's trade tomorrow. And I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you always hit that like. If any of this information was value to you, if you learned something new that you didn't know, then make sure you hit the like button. It just supports the channel and just helps me grow. And I hope to see you grow. And that's why I'm giving you this information. I hope to see your charts grow up or either go down and you make money from the puts. Either way, we're going to win. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that like button.